Okay, let's go. Today I'm going to talk about how we can integrate grep into P4V using custom tools. So you would have P4V open and you go to Tools, Manage Tools, Custom Tools, and you'll get this Manage Custom Tools dialog. And under Custom Tools, you can hit New here, Tool, and here you would put in the name of the menu item. So we'll just make it easy and call it grep. And we would put in the application we want. And for here, the binary for grep is in my user bin grep, like just like that. And when we want to pick the arguments, you can hit select here so you can see the different types of arguments you can do. So what we want is we want to be able to select a file or folder and see what the grep command is or the results of the grep command. So in this case, there's these things with the D, %Ds, which is depot syntax, which is sort of server-side syntax, and %Fs are workspace syntax, which is basically what's locally on in your workspace. So I'm just going to go with a %F, maybe files, %F, capital F, okay. And what this will do is when you run the menu, it'll do grep and the file name that you have selected. That's not exactly how grep works. As you know, we need to enter match pattern. So what we're going to do is click this prompt user for arguments. And here the description will say let's say match pattern. And so we need to insert what we put for this match pattern into the arguments. And we hit select again, you'll see that, let's see, $ capital D is arguments from the prompt dialog right here. So what we can do here is, this is not quite the right order. We want $D here. So it'll be grep match pattern file name here. So we hit OK and we see we have a grep custom tool. OK. And so now we can select a file. And this is our normal test.txt file that you might be familiar with, but if you're not, I can show you what it contains in the preview. Sad, happy, awake, coffee, work, and school. So we would select it, and then we would hit Tools, and we have now this grep menu. Hit grep, and we're going to pick our match pattern. And so let's say we pick work, hit OK. Whoops, did that work? Let's try it again. Tools, grep, work, hit OK. Oh, I know I did wrong. So let's go back to Manage Tools, Custom Tools, Edit. So what we want is we want to run this in the terminal window. So we need to click this as well. So let's do it again. So click test.txt, go Tools, grep, pick work, work. And as you can see, we get back the output where work is in fact in the test file. This is probably not as useful. So what we can do is we can modify this a little bit. Let's go back to here, Tools, Manage Tools. And if you recall, you can do a -N flag, which gives you the line number. So we'll hit OK. And we can do it again now, run it again, grep, and let's go for work. And as you can see, it will show that on line number 5, the word work is found in test.txt.